Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are healthy and safe at home. Myself Rashri Tirthani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Kids, today I am here to teach you English text. In this we will revise chapter 13, Keep the Beach Clean. So kids, let's see the points to remember first. Laya and her friends went to the beach to play, but the beach was dirty. One day, Laya and her friends, they all went to the beach to play, but they can't play on the beach. Why? Because the beach was very dirty. There were tin cans, plastic bags, wrappers, waste paper on the beach. Laya and her friends decided to clean the beach first. So, one of them, what he said? He said, let us go and play in my garden. But then Laya said, no, let us clean the beach first. So, they all decided to clean the beach first. Children worked hard. They picked up all the litter and put them in a big dustbin. Then that morning children worked very hard. They gave their best. They picked up all the litter, all the wastage from the beach and put them in a big dustbin on the beach. Then Laya had an idea. She said we should tell others also not to litter the beach, not to throw the rubbish. So next morning again they all went to the beach and picked up all the rubbish from the beach and put it in a big dustbin. They put up signs everywhere to tell others to keep the beach clean. Then they all sat under a coconut tree and they made signs and put these signs everywhere on the beach to tell others to keep the beach clean. And what these signs says, please keep the beach clean. They all were happy. They all were very happy as they cleaned the beach. Now the beach is clean and they all are very happy. And what they said, now the beach will always be clean and beautiful. I hope you all understood the chapter. Now let's revise the book work. Understanding the story, question A, write true and not true. We have to write T for true and NT for not true statement. First is Laya and her friends went to the beach to play. They went to the beach to play. Yes, the statement is true. So we have written T over here. Second is Laya and her friends began to play on the beach. No, because the beach was very dirty. So the statement is not true. Third is they threw the rubbish into the sea. Did they throw rubbish into the sea? No. They throw all the rubbish in the big dustbin. So we have mentioned NT over here because the statement is not true. Fourth is the beach was dirty the next morning. Next morning when again they went to the beach was dirty? Yes, the statement is true. Fifth is they put up signs to tell others to keep the beach clean. Yes, they put up signs everywhere on the beach to tell others to keep the beach clean. So the statement is true and we have mentioned here T. Now let's revise the copy work of this chapter. First we will revise new words. First is plastic bags. Second, wrappers. Third is waste paper. Rubbish. Fifth is dustbins. Sixth is worked hard. Seventh is signs. Now let's revise make sentences. First is pick up. Now we have to make sentence on the given word. First is pick up. Please pick up the phone. The sentence is please pick up the phone. Second is idea. It was a nice idea. Let's revise once again. First is pick up. Please pick up the phone. Second is idea. It was a nice idea. Let's revise word meanings. First is beach. The meaning of beach is seaside. The spelling of seaside is S-E-A-C-S-I-D, side, seaside. Second is dirty. The meaning of dirty is not clean. The spelling of not clean is N-O-T, not C-L-E-A-N, clean. Not clean. Now let's revise answer the questions. First is why were Laya and her friends at the beach? Why they were at the beach? Laya and her friends were at the beach to play. They were at the beach to play. Let's revise once again. Why were Laya and her friends at the beach? Laya and her friends were at the beach to play. The spelling of play is P-L-A-Y, play. Second is, what did the sign say? The sign said, please keep the beach clean. They put up signs everywhere. What sign said? The sign said, please keep the beach clean. The spelling of please is P-L-E-A-S-E, please. The spelling of keep, K-E-E-P, keep. T-H-E, the, B-E-A-C-H, beach, and C-L-E-N, clean. The sign said, please keep the beach clean. So kids, now let's see the new words of this chapter on the board. So our first word is plastic bags. P-L-A-S-T-I-C, plastic. B-A-G-S, plastic bags. Next is wrappers. W-R-A-P-P-E-R-S, wrappers. Next word is waste paper. W-A-S-T-E, waste. P-A-P-E-R, waste paper. Next word is rubbish. R-U-B-B-I-S-H, rubbish. Next word is dustbins. D-U-S-T-B-I-N-S, dustbins. Next word is worked hard. W-O-R-K-E-D, worked. H-A-R-D, hard, worked hard. Next word is science. S-I-G-N-S, science. Let's revise once again. P-L-A-S-T-I-C, plastic. B-A-G-S, bags, plastic bags. W-R-A-P-P-E-R-S, wrappers. W-A-S-T, waste. P-A-P-E-R, paper, waste paper. Next word is rubbish. R-U-B-B-I-S-H, rubbish. Next is dustbins. D-U-S-T-B-I-N-S, dustbins. Next is worked hard. W-O-R-K-E-D, worked. H-A-R-D, hard, worked hard. Next is science. S-I-G-N-S, science. Now let's revise the word meaning of this chapter. First is beach. B-E-A-C-H, beach. The meaning of beach is seaside. S-E-A-C-S-I-D-E, side. The meaning of beach is seaside. Next word is dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. The meaning of dirty is not clean. N-O-T, not. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Let's revise once again. First word is beach. The meaning of beach is seaside. S-E-A-C-S-I-D-E, side. Seaside. Second is dirty. The meaning of dirty is not clean. N-O-T, not. C-L-E-A-N, clean, not clean. So kids, I hope you understood the chapter and revised it very well with me. Do watch the recorded videos that we have uploaded earlier. Keep revising. Thank you.